Welcome to today's current affairs class. First question for today. When is Fire Safety Week 2025 being observed? Answer is 21st to 25th April. Second question. National Panchayati Raj Day is celebrated on 24th April. The provision of Panchayat is in which schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer is 11th schedule. Third question. What is LCR, that is liquidity coverage ratio, which has been in the news recently? Answer is a ratio that measures a bank's ability to handle a liquidity stress. Fourth question. Which operation was launched to prevent infiltration after the Pahalgam terror attack on 22nd April 2025? Answer is Operation Tikka. Fifth question. What is the objective of Mission Anveshan, which has been in the news recently? Answer is to incentivize seismic surveys for mapping oil and gas deposits. Sixth question. Vaya Vandana Yojana has recently been launched in which state or union territory? Answer is Delhi. Seventh question. What is the minimum age set by RBI for minors to independently operate bank accounts in India? Answer is 10 years. Eighth question. The Yellow Sea, also known as the North Sea, is located between which two regions? Answer is China and the Korean Peninsula. Ninth question. Recently, the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship launched the AI Careers for Women initiative in collaboration with which organization? Answer is Tata Consultancy Services. 10th question. What is the name of the recent counter-infiltration operation conducted by the Indian Army in Baramulla district? Answer is Operation Tikka. Now come to the Tripura and Northeast part. The question is, a 2-day international conclave on Buddha Dharma and the culture of Northeast India was held in which place? Answer is Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh. For the PDF of today's class, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. And for regular updates on current affairs, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.